My name is Jay Manipon Kapuya, Block 13 BSED Science Major. And I'm here to discuss about volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis is a method of chemical analysis used to determine the concentration of a substance in a solution by measuring the volume of reagent required to react with it. So, ang key concept ng lesson natin is the titration, which is the primary method in volumetric analysis. So, ang titration ay may 4 types ng reaction. The acid-base, redox, complexometric, and precipitation reaction. So, first, what is titration? Titration is a technique in which a solution of known concentration is gradually added to a solution of unknown concentration until the reaction reaches completion. So, there are 5 key components ng titration, which is the titrant, analyte, indicator, burette, and colonial flask. Titrant is the solution of known concentration. Analyte is the solution of unknown concentration. Indicator is the substance used to show the endpoint of the reaction. Burette is a precise instrument used to deliver the titrant. And last, the colonial flask holds the analyte solution. And i-discuss naman natin ngayon ang types of titration or types of reaction ng titration. First is the acid-base titration. So, it involves neutralization reaction between an acid and a base. Redox titration involves oxidation to reduction reaction. Precipitation titration involves the formation of precipitate during the reaction. Complexometric titration involves the formation of complex between the titrant and analyte. So, the titration process involves 6 steps. So, first, prepare the titrant and analyte solution. Second, add the indicator to the analyte solution. Third, fill the burette with the titrant solution. And 4, slowly add the titrant to the analyte while continuously swirling the flask. Fifth is the stop when the endpoint is reached or when it indicates color change. And last, record the volume of titrant used to reach the endpoint. So, ang titration ay may calculation din. So, formula for calculating concentration is C1V1 equals C2V2. C1 is the concentration of titrant. V1, volume of titrant used. C2 is the concentration of analyte. And V2 is volume of analyte used. So, common indicator used in titration which is phenolphthaleamine for acid-base titration. Methyl orange for strong acid to weak base titration. Starch for iodine titration. And malapit na tayo matapos. So, dumako na tayo sa application of volumetric analysis or kung saan nga ba nagagamit ang volumetric analysis. First is environmental testing, which dito minomonitor yung pollutants like heavy metals sa water. And pharmaceutical industry, para ma-determine natin kung ano nga ba yung mga nandun sa gamot na yon. Food and beverage industry is kung para ma-monitor yung acidity sa wine or mga fruit juices. And last is industrial chemistry, which analyzing raw materials and fine products. And that's our for today. Thank you. Goodbye.